Hey there, just a quick guide here regarding installing a wiring kit into the wiring harness that you can find on the Tesla Model Y. So they already have this sitting inside of that holder, but there's no harness available on the market right now. So if you want to connect to it, you can always use one of these kits. And it's a touchless, or as far as you don't pierce the wires. But you do need to figure out what goes to what, because you have these sensors that go to left and right blinker and tail light and stop light. So, and then of course you need power. So I've figured it out and figured I'll share with you guys. Just ignore the big blue on the outside and the purple on the outside. Then you have your ground here, the black on the top in this case, top right, and then you have the 12 volts coming through the red one, the big red on the bottom left. So if you can figure it that way, we have top right is black, bottom left is red. Then you only need to connect into the wiring on the back here on the bottom. And from left to right you have green, purple, brown and white. The white on the bottom. And that goes, green is left blinker, purple is right blinker, brown is the running lights, and the white on the bottom is the backup lights. Alright, hopefully that helps. This is a good one. I got it from Torklift along with this Eco Hitch. So good luck. Installation is pretty easy.